That's addressed to us, as parents, as church. To train up our children in the way they should go. Not with what some would call a tolerant, open mind to every whim and teaching that exists in our world, but with the truth, God's word, the truth of the gospel message. Train them up in the way they should go, not necessarily the way they might want to go, the way the world tells us they should go, the way, the politically correct crowd tells us they should go, but in the way they should go.